After we add our images or our elements to Videoscribe, we need to know how to change their properties and make them more attractive and more appealing to the viewer. And to have a rapid workflow and access the properties option easily, we need to know more than one way to do that. For example, let's double click on that image, so we'll have the properties option. Or for example, right click on the element and you will have your properties option. And the third way is to simply select the image or the element here on the timeline, and you will have your image properties or your text properties according to the nature of your elements. The last way to do that is by right clicking on the elements also in the timeline, and you'll have your properties option. Here we can go through all the elements that are existing in the timeline by clicking on the next and previous buttons here. And we also can change, for example, the drawing hand that draw our image or our element, and we can change the animation. It can be a move action or a draw action, or we can change, for example, the filter, the shadow and the color and so on. And also we can change the image itself, and if it was a text, we can change the content of the text, we can change its color, we can change its font and so on. So knowing how to enter or access the properties option make your workflow faster and help you to create the videos and control your projects in a faster way.